So hi guys, welcome back to my channel. What's going on? So in this video I'm going to be teaching you how to withdraw on the Reef. Okay, so someone asked me this question in the comment section of my previous video, and I decided to create this video on how to make a withdrawal. So I'm using one of my accounts with the Reef to show you how to do this. Okay, so if you don't have a Reef account yet, if you have not registered for an account, I'm going to also leave the link of the video I created on how to register step by step. Okay, the video will be in the description of this particular video. Okay, I will leave the link in the description. So if you also want to register with my link, I'll also leave my link there for you to register, okay, through my link. All right, so now what I will do is that I will log in. Okay, I'll click on login. So I will just log in with my Google, okay, Google account. Yeah, so they are logging me in automatically with my Google accounts. All right, so maybe in your own case you might be asked to provide email or maybe email and password. Okay, so now you see here my USD account. Okay, you can see I have USD account, Bitcoin, Ethereum and all that. Okay, now in this particular account, okay, so my USD account, I have $18 here. So what I need to do is that I want to withdraw from my MT5. Okay, I want to transfer money to this dollar account, maybe make it $100 or 200 just to withdraw, to show you guys. Okay, so this is $18, okay, already here. So what I need to do is that I need to move some money from my MT5, okay, account, DMT5, that the Reef MetaTrader 5 account, to this dollar account, or I will move it to Litecoin. So basically, because I'm going to be withdrawing through cryptocurrency, I'm going to transfer it from my Reef account to my Litecoin account, which is this one here, okay, which is this one here. So I'm going to change it to Litecoin. So what do you have to do? You can see I have 00 right now. I don't have any money here. So what I need to do is that I will click on this icon right here. Okay, I will click on it, then click on cashier. Okay, sorry, I'll click on this, click on cashier right here. Okay, then I'll click on transfer, because I want to transfer money from my Reef MetaTrader 5 to my Litecoin account, so that I can be able to withdraw to my any of the exchange. I'm using Binance, so any of the crypto exchange platform you are using, you can equally do the same thing. Okay, I'll just click on transfer. All right, so you can see I'm already here, and I have two accounts with this particular email. I have two accounts here. This one have $95, this one have $181. So I'm just going to transfer this $95, okay, in this account to my Litecoin account. Okay, so if you see here, they will ask you from, okay, the first one here, you can see this is from where, okay, from which particular account are you transferring from, and to where. So what I will do is that I will come here and change it from, instead of Litecoin, I'm going to select this one of my accounts, okay, which is this one. Okay, I'll select the $95 account. Okay, I'll click on it. Now I'm transferring this $95 to my Litecoin account. Okay, so I'm transferring from the Reef MetaTrader 5 account to my Litecoin. So what I will do is I will click on, if you want 20%, you click on 20%, click on 50%, 75%, or all. So I'm going to transfer all. Okay, so transferring all, I'll just click on all, and you have the equivalent money here. You can see 95.57, okay, right here. All right, and this is the Litecoin amount. It's going to be 1.546 something Litecoin. Okay, so once I'm done, I'll click on transfer. Okay, so you can see it have been transferred. Okay, if you look here, you can see that I've transferred the money to Litecoin. So this is, sorry, that's my Litecoin account right here. Okay, so I've transferred it to Litecoin. So this is basically the internal transfer. Okay, so after this, I will withdraw. I will go for withdrawal. So for me to withdraw this money to my Binance account, okay, in your case it can be any maybe you are using KuCoin or Trust Wallet or Meta, any of this app, okay, I will just click on this icon right there again. Okay, then after that I will click on cashier again. After cashier, I will click withdraw. Okay, so you can actually withdraw from agents. Okay, you can go through agents to withdraw, but I just like withdrawing with cryptocurrency. Okay, you can withdraw through agent, but for this video I'm going to be doing the withdrawal through cryptocurrency. So I'll click withdraw. Now they are going to send me an email just to confirm that I'm the one making the withdrawal. Okay, so I will click on send for them to send me email. Okay, I'll click on this send. So basically the email has been sent. So let me go to my email and verify that I'm the one making the withdrawal. Okay guys, so this is the email sent to me. Okay, so what I need to do is to click on yes, it's me, just to confirm that I'm the one making the withdrawal. So I click on it and they will redirect me to the account. Okay, so now I'm redirected to this place. Okay, so you see the first place here, the first space I have here. Okay, they are asking me to provide my Litecoin wallet address. Okay, so I just have to go to my Binance account and copy my wallet address. So for you, if you are using any of this, maybe if you are using Binance, just go to your Binance login and copy your deposit wallet address for Litecoin. Okay, so if you are using Trust Wallet, the same thing. You are using KuCoin, the same thing. So if you are using CoinX, any of the exchange platform, is the same thing. So I will go now and copy my wallet address, then come here and paste it, Litecoin wallet address, and paste it. Okay, all right guys, so now after copying the wallet address, okay, just come here and paste it. Okay, which is Litecoin, which is the cryptocurrency I'm using for this withdrawal. So I'll click on here, then hold and paste the wallet address. Okay, this is my Litecoin wallet address. Okay, so once I paste it here, the next thing I'm going to do is that I'm going to select all. Okay, I'm going to select all. So you just have to make sure that you do not make mistake while copying your wallet address. Okay, so this is my own wallet address. All I need to do now is to click on withdraw. Okay, so once I click on withdraw, it will automatically be sent to my Binance account. Okay, so I'll just click on this withdraw right here. Okay, so now, so these are the step-by-step process of withdrawing from the Reef with your cryptocurrency wallet. Okay, so I use Litecoin. You can equally use any of these things. You can use USDT, you can use BTC, or any of the cryptocurrency that you have. If you look here, you can see status right here is pending. Okay, it's pending. So once it's successful, you are going to get the email, okay, of the deposit. So that's that for this video. I hope you enjoyed this. If you have any other question about the Reef or how to register, remember the video is in the description. Okay, I will leave the link in the description of this video, so you can equally watch how to create an account with the Reef if you're a new trader, okay, or you are new when it comes to synthetic indices. Also, my link for the registration is also there. So if you watch the video, you click on the link, then it will take you to the Reef platform where you are going to register and fund your account. Okay, so that's that for this video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye for now, guys.